Slumberjack remix.
Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new Melbourne Railway videos production. Today I'm here at Harcourt, which is an abandoned station on the Bendigo line between Kangaroo Flat and Castlemaine, or if you like Castlemaine and I think the old Ravens Hall station or something. Anyway, obviously it used to have two platforms. I'm currently on platform, I guess you'd call it platform 2, with this beautiful building here. I'll obviously give you a closer look. There's a marker here as well. And then you got what I'm going to call platform 1, the old way down from the station. I don't know, this is looking at the down end of the platform. There's a crossing. Obviously there's only one track at the moment because of the regional fast rail project, but there used to be two. I don't know if there's space for two at the moment. It's a bit tight because I think the reason why they removed the two tracks is because they need more space or something. They made it a single track. I don't really agree with it. I think you should keep double track wherever possible. Anyway, obviously it's very overgrown. As one of the stations closed in 1981 as part of the New Deal timetable, which, although it increased patronage, I think 35 stations were closed around Victoria. So there were all these old doors. I think the Harcourt radio station used to broadcast from here. Look inside. Don't know if you can see. And continuing down the platform, you've got a bit of water down there. It's been raining a lot recently. This weird building here. Don't really want to go inside. Another building on the other side, I'll show you on the way back. Let's look at that building. Alright, the train that I'm going to film should have arrived at Castlemaine by now. So hopefully we'll be here in, say, less than 10 minutes. And I'll get that on camera. So this is the up end of the platform. It's remnants of something behind those bushes. I don't know what. Up the track there's the bridge over the Calder freeway. Might be able to just see it as the track goes up to the left. Anyway, it's pretty much the station. I'll show you that building. I was just going to show you this building here. It's been graffitied, unfortunately, as has some of this platform or the station, but it hasn't been vandalised too much, thankfully. Locals have taken some good care of it. Harcourt, for those who don't know, is just a small town, short distance out of Castlemaine. It's, yeah, obviously it used to have a station, but you know, it doesn't anymore. It's not overly big. I don't know if it could sustain a station, but it would be good to have this open once again. Such a nice old station. It's the first time I've been here. Anyway, from the train. We've got what will probably be a velocity passing. As you can hear the bells. It'll be an Echuca service, I think. Here it comes. Going very quickly. PL44 was the train, or the set. Geez, that horn freaked me out. So there you go. That was the train. And that concludes the video, unfortunately. I mean, it's too long to wait for the next train. I hope you enjoyed that train which just flew past, the Velocity. It'll stop next to Kangaroo Flat before Bendigo. Yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, please drop a like, subscribe if you like my videos in general. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next Melbourne Railway videos production.